We'll guide you through how to disable restricted mode on YouTube. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. With restricted mode enabled on YouTube, it's going to go and limit the content you can go and see and things you can do, like commenting. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and disable it and use YouTube as normal. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. You want to go and head to the bottom right of YouTube and go and find You, like so. Then you need to come to the top right and go and find the gear or cog icon. That is going to go and open up the settings, like so. What you want to do is you want to go and find the option for General at the top of Account, like this. And then what you need to do is go and find Restricted Mode. So it says here, this helps to hide potentially mature videos. So what you want to do is just go and tap on the switch to do and turn it off. That's it. It will no longer be enabled. You may want to go and swipe up and restart YouTube just to make sure that it's up to date. But that's how it's done.